Hey friends, this is RC back again, and today we are going to make a cheesecake which is very delicious and you can make it in minutes with few ingredients, and we are not going to add any egg into it and not going to bake it. So it's very quick and very delicious. So let's see the ingredients. Let's see the ingredients for strawberry cheesecake. Our main ingredient is cheese cream, strawberries, some honey, melted butter, crumbled biscuits and some almonds. You can just grind it. First of all, we are going to crumble the biscuits in a plastic bag. Now our first step is you can add butter and honey. Mix it well. This mixture we are going to add 2 spoons of biscuits, crumbled biscuits, and almost 2 spoons of almonds. This is for 1 serving. Just need a spoon to mix it. See the consistency? Yeah, it's already mixed. We are just going to keep this aside. Our next step is to take the cheese cream. This is the cheese cream. Over here I have taken Anchor cheese cream. You can take whatever is available, maybe Amul or any other brand. 1 spoon of honey will be added into cheese cream. Honey will give sweetness to the cheese cream also. We are not adding any sugar into our cake, and there is no need to bake it or heat it up. This cheese I have taken from the refrigerator, but it was not frozen. See, our cheese cream is mixed well. See the consistency, it's quite thick and sweetness is there with the honey. So our cheese cream is also ready now. Now to layer the cheesecake we need some glass or cup or container. So over here I have taken a glass. Now step 1 is, first you need the crumbled biscuits and almonds. You can replace almonds with any kind of nuts, or you can just add biscuits with honey and butter. So I am going to put this first. Now you need some glass or any other thing to press it well. See, our first layer is ready. You can see from here. Now our next thing is cheese cream, which is ready. So you can top it up. Over here I have taken 200 grams of cheese cream, which is sufficient for 2 servings. Again we are going to press it well, that there shouldn't be any air bubbles. Our second layer is also ready. So first layer is with biscuits and almonds, second layer is with the cheese cream. Now our final layer is the strawberries. Decorate it with the strawberries and it will give an amazing taste to our cheesecake. Strawberries, I just cut the top part where the leaves are there. I didn't want that part, so I just removed it. If you have a sweet tooth, you can sprinkle some powdered sugar on the strawberries or just dazzle it with honey. Top layer is also ready, which is full of strawberries. You can see how good it looks. Now I'm going to just put a strip of white chocolate on the top to give it a decorative or classy look. To add some crumbled biscuits and almonds on the top. See, our strawberry cheesecake is ready to be served. We are going to chill it in the refrigerator for almost an hour. and I'm sure it's going to taste wonderful. See how gorgeous and beautiful it looks. So our cheesecake is ready. It's looking so tempting and so nice. So you can see the layers, how lovely it looks. And you can just replace the strawberries with your favorite fruit if you don't like strawberries. But I'm sure it's going to be really, really, really tasty. So let me taste it. You can see cheese and strawberry together. So good. Must try it. I'll have one more spoon of it. And if you want to enjoy it, make it and try it. Have a nice day.